Hi guys, it's Tammy. And so I know last year I started off by doing a tips every Tuesday, and I didn't get very far in it. To be honest, I just couldn't think of some tips sometimes, and it's kind of hard to do that. So I'm going to try to do this again. I'm hopefully going to get further than I did last year, and hopefully I can complete the whole year and have a tip for you every week. So the first tip is, I think, a really good one. I love this tip. So you know those silica gels that we get in everything and you don't know what to do with them, you just throw them away because you can't eat them? Not that you would want to, but obviously someone did. But if you have little containers, I keep these from my wax. This one was a patchouli vanilla. Oh, smells so good. But you can take these silica gels and put them in a little container. And, oh, this is a white one. Those aren't fun. I like the clear silica gels. Let me see if I have any more, because I do keep them so I can do this. So I don't know. See these white ones? Of course, the one that I'm trying to show you guys would be one of the white ones. I've never tried those. I just don't know if they're the same thing. And I know that it needs to be, you know, the silica gels. The little white, cleary colored gel things. Ooh, these are black. What in the heck? This is like charcoal. Well, that's not it. Do I have more? Yes, I do. And hopefully one of these will be what we want. Wow, I didn't even know that they were different. Clear. And sometimes it takes a couple bags, but usually one is enough to do. I use them for shaker cards. I didn't even tell you what we're doing. So I use them for shaker cards. Here's an example of some red and green ones. This red and green that I did. So you can see how they shake around in a shaker card. You just have to be sure that you use enough foam to raise it up so that they can still shake. But aren't they cute? I mean, they just make really great filler for this kind of a project. And so I keep them in these little things, and you can make them whatever color you want as long as you have the re-inker, because all it takes is the silica gel and then the re-inker. So you really don't need very many. If one packet of silica gel is perfectly good, I'm going to open these and add one too if they're clear too. Yes, they are. I kind of like to do two if I can, only because lots of times they're different sizes, and this gives me a good assortment. You can even kind of see the different colors and the different sizes in there. Hopefully you can see that. So one of them is a little more yellowy than the other one. That's fine. And I have this Ballet Blue Stampin' Up! Re-inker that is quite old. And I'm just going to put 4 little drops of re-inker in here. And you can use less, you can use more. And then if you have these little containers, they're really handy because you can just shake right in the container. I suppose you could use a Ziploc bag too. I don't know why you couldn't. And looky there. Isn't that cool? Oops, one jumped out. Now you do have to wait for them to dry before you use them, but it really doesn't take very much time. Like, let's see, I don't know if this is dry already. It is. This is dry already. So, I mean, it really doesn't take any time. It's blue, it's dyed. That's the color it is now. So, isn't that fun? Just a really great technique and a great way to use something that you would normally throw away. And now I have little fun shaker things. Little maracas. So hopefully I'll do a better job this year, and stick with me. Let's see what we can do. But there you go. And you can just make yourself a little collection of maracas that you can use when you're making shaker cards. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see you next week with another tip. Bye-bye.